Meaning of data terminal.
Data terminal.
Data terminal.
Data terminal.
Data terminal. A data terminal, also known as a computer terminal, is an electronic device that allows users to input, process, and display data. It typically contains a keyboard and a screen, and functions as an interface between a user and a central computer or system. Data terminals are widely used in various industries for communication and information processing tasks. They can be connected to local or remote systems through various means, such as wires, modems, or wireless networks. Overall, data terminals provide a convenient and efficient way for users to interact with computers and access information.